Hi there, friends and fellow space savers. It's Lolo here, your guide to all things chic and compact. Welcome back to our special journey through the world of small studio living. Today we are unveiling episode 5 of 25 Clever Small Studio Apartment Design Ideas, where we continue to explore the magic of minimal square footage with maximum style. In this episode, we are not just thinking outside the box. We are redesigning it from walls to move to furniture that folds. We're showcasing the most ingenious design hacks that make every inch count. So whether you are living in a cozy studio or just dreaming of a minimalist makeover, join me as we navigate through this episode. Get ready to turn your snug space into a sanctuary of style. Let's make your studio the envy of the neighborhood. Remember to hit that like button if you find our tips helpful and subscribe for more creative space saving wonders. Let's get started. Welcome to this beautifully designed studio apartment with a warm brown color palette. Overall, the apartment is a harmonious, modern, minimalist space featuring a dark wooden wardrobe, a comfortable single-size bed, and a stylish living space with a cozy sofa separated by a glass wall. The dark flooring complements the neutral tones of the room, creating a cohesive and stylish interior. The studio apartment in the image is a bright and cozy space with modern furnishings. It features a white sofa, a small coffee table, and a wooden partition separating the living area from the sleeping area with the bed. There is also a workspace by the window which offers views of greenery outside, and the room is decorated with frame artwork and a potted plant, enhancing the apartment's welcoming atmosphere. The studio apartment in the image is a modern and well-lit space with a glass partition dividing the sleeping and living areas. It features a neatly made modern gray sofa with colorful cushions and a wooden coffee table. The open kitchen has white cabinetry, and the room is enhanced by decorative items and large potted plants, creating an inviting atmosphere. The studio apartment in the image is a modern, cozy space with a neutral color palette. It features a living area with a gray sofa and a round coffee table, and a sleeping area with a bed elevated above the floor. The room is adorned with frame artworks and includes a leather-style bookcase. Natural light streams in through a window, enhancing the welcoming ambience of the apartment. And that's a wrap on today's episode, folks. Lulu here, signing off from our delightful dive into the world of small studio wonders. We hope you are walking away with a treasure trove of ideas to make your compact living space not just functional but fabulously fashionable. We've seen some truly ingenious solutions today, from walls that shift to furniture that multitask, all designed to make your studio life as seamless and stylish as possible. Remember, a small space doesn't mean small dreams. It's all about big creativity. If you love these clever design ideas, show us some love with a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who is looking for a little inspiration in a small package. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Got a favorite tip from today's episode, or maybe a clever design hack of your own? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and stories. Stay tuned for more episodes where we'll continue to unlock the secrets of small space living. Until then, keep dreaming big and designing smart. This is Lulu, your friendly neighborhood narrator, saying goodbye and happy decorating.